Baba. Remix, hey.
Field Town Production.
Don't take out, why can't me get no man? Don't take out, why can't you see me no man? He a take out, when we no man is setting the go away. He a take out, when we no man is setting the go away. What do they oh? Ese no sabe me oh. What do they oh? Ese no sabe me oh. Wadogunmeri ekponge no sa no ya gbon kele imi no ya son ke baba no yi so no boise no yi meke buwe yes no ume o irupa no ruye dagbon me ma iteka o ga seti wona me baba. Lord, you are faithful, your words are perfect, you are trustworthy. I am overwhelmed when you wipe away my tears. It be like say not dream my day. When you do this one for me, it be like say I did dream.
Hi everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel, which is Julie's Kitchen. How you guys doing? Hope you are staying safe as we are doing over here. Welcome you once again to my channel, and please, if you are watching me for the first time, don't skip my video without subscribing to my channel. Just click on that notification there to get notice of any new video I upload and join the Julie's Kitchen family. You are welcome. My returning subscriber, I love you all. You are the best. Thank you for always supporting me. God bless you. So in today's cooking series, I'm going to show you how to make potato fufu. You know, you have two ways to make potato fufu, but this is the best way, the perfect way you can make it. So I want to show you now. Let me wash my hands before we get started. Well, as you can see on my table, this is the potato fufu, and this is the starch, potato starch. So first and foremost, I'm going to add the starch to the water. Yes, I think this will be enough for my potato. So I'll stir. I will be using my hand anyway. I'll be using my hand, not this one is because I've washed my hands. My hands are not after I'm still going to eat Jesus. So you have water. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not show you the water. It depends. Just this pot, half of the pot. Then look at this thing I'm going to put. I'll be adding it. Definitely, I'm going to gauge it. Then when it's okay to the texture I want, then I'll leave it. Okay. I think I still need the green so I'm going to stir this. I'm going to be adding some burrito because the water in the pot was too much. So now I'm going to start making it. I want to put it in my gas. Let me on the gas so that I can start. So now I'm going to make it. Sorry, because I was having this stuff. So just keep stirring. This is the long process. To take time, but the outcome would be very nice. You will like it. We're gonna take some time, so let me just be patient to turning it gradually. Steps. Nice. Yeah? It's on action. So I'm turning my puree. I'm still on it. Just making it. Just adding some water to it because it's too thick. You just need to be patient when this. One have to be patient. So later I'll see you guys. So I'm still my it's almost true. Still going to allow it to cook. I'll add a little water to it because it's like a egg. Very well. Cover it so that the heat can eat and cook very well. Wow, my fufu is ready. So much good. I can need to water. But the pot will not go. It's almost soaking. Wow, so beautiful, nice. You can see it's ready now. I want to put off my gas and sure. So I'm done for today. This is my fufu. It's ready. I want to put off my gas. I hope you guys can set it. Finally, I'm done for today, and this is the outcome of my potato fufu. You see how it is, it's so smooth and it's nice. It's good to go with ogbono soup, egusi soup, bitterleaf, any kind of soup, onubo soup. Wow. So I don't know, you have other methods. You can still drop your comments on in the comment section. Let me see how you make yours, or if you love this method. Thank you. See you next time in my next video. I love you all. Bye. Ciao.